Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Kinto coffee is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and functional brewing systems available for coffee enthusiasts, seamlessly blending minimalist Japanese design with practical usability to elevate your daily coffee ritual into an art form. Number 5. Elemental Artisan Insulated Tumbler 16-ounce Graphite. Experience beverages kept at the perfect temperature for extended periods. Our advanced triple-wall insulation ensures your drinks stay hot for up to 6 hours or cold for an impressive 18 hours. Enjoy your drink on the go with confidence. This thermal cup features a ceramic lid with a silicone plug for enhanced spill resistance, providing a comfortable and secure drinking experience. Designed for comfort and stability, it offers a secure grip thanks to its textured band and non-slip silicone bottom. The no-sweat design keeps your hands dry, no matter the temperature of your drink. Make a sustainable choice by switching from disposable cups. This durable, reusable tumbler is BPA-free and ensures no unwanted flavors are transferred to your beverage. Combine functionality with style. Choose from a range of simple yet elegant colors to match your personal taste. Available in 12 ounces and 16-ounce sizes. What we like. This tumbler offers exceptional temperature retention, keeping your drinks hot for up to 6 hours or cold for 18 hours. If you need a reliable companion for long commutes or outdoor adventures, this is the one for you. Its durable design and comfortable grip make it perfect for those who are always on the go. What people say. The Kinto Coffee Brewer is designed for a clean and smooth cup of coffee. It features a stainless steel filter that allows the coffee's aroma to pass through, resulting in a rich flavor. The brewer is easy to use and clean, making it a convenient choice for daily coffee brewing. Number 4. Kinto 1.1-liter Carafe Coffee Set. Create delicious slow coffee with this elegant set. It includes a carafe, strainer, and holder for a perfect brew every time. Say goodbye to paper filters. The stainless steel strainer effectively filters your coffee, offering a more sustainable and convenient brewing experience. The included holder features clear markings, making it easy to measure your coffee grounds accurately for the perfect strength. With a 1.1-liter volume, it holds up to 600 milliliters, which is about 4 cups. This is ideal for sharing your coffee with friends or family. Crafted from heat-resistant glass, copolyester, and AP resin, this set is built to last. The glass is safe for both dishwashers and microwaves. Its compact size and thoughtful design make it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Enjoy both style and functionality with this coffee set. What we like. Enjoy delicious slow coffee without the hassle of paper filters, thanks to its integrated stainless steel strainer. If you appreciate a rich, full-bodied brew and want to reduce waste, this carafe set is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who love the ritual of making coffee and want a larger batch to share. What people say. The Kinto Coffee Carafe is made of heat-resistant glass, allowing you to see the brewing process. It features a stainless steel filter that prevents coffee grounds from passing through, resulting in a clean cup. The minimalist design of the Kinto Coffee Brewer makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen counter. Number 3. Fellow Stagg, XF, Pour-Over Dripper and Carafe Kit. Start your day with a perfectly brewed cup of coffee, effortlessly. This kit is designed for those who appreciate a great brew with less fuss. Everything you need is included to craft your ideal coffee. It features our signature dripper, a double-wall glass carafe, and custom paper filters. Achieve a bright and clean cup of filtered coffee with minimal effort. It's perfect for those mornings when you want quality without the complexity. This double-wall glass carafe is not just for coffee. Use it to brew tea, prepare cold brew, or even mix your favorite beverages. Brewing the perfect cup is simple. The dripper includes a built-in ratio aid, ensuring you use the correct amount of grounds every time for 1 to 2 servings. Our custom coffee filters are designed specifically for this pour-over system. They ensure an optimal brew with our unique steep slope design. What we like. This kit simplifies the pour-over brewing process, making it easier to achieve a bright, clean cup every morning. If you're a coffee enthusiast looking for a convenient yet high-quality brewing experience, this set is perfect. It's designed for those who want to elevate their daily coffee ritual with minimal fuss. What people say. The pour-over brewer is designed to brew coffee that tastes like it was made by a professional barista. The brewer is made of heat-resistant glass, which is durable and easy to clean. The brewer comes with a stainless steel filter that is reusable and eco-friendly. Number 2. Fellow Mighty Small Glass Carafe. This versatile carafe allows you to brew coffee directly into it using a pour-over dripper, or use it to steep your favorite teas. It's also perfect for cold brew, cocktails, and other beverages. Immerse yourself in the coffee crafting experience. Listen to the gentle drip, watch the coffee flow, and breathe in the rich aroma from the gourmet grounds. Crafted from strong, durable, and heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it's designed to keep your coffee hotter for longer. The thick glass ensures quality and longevity. This coffee carafe is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional. It features a reliable, designed glass handle for a firm grip and a no-drip spout for precise pouring. Achieving the perfect cup of coffee is effortless. Pair it with Fellow's Stagg X pour-over dripper, which has a built-in ratio aid for a perfectly measured 1 to 2 servings. What we like. Experience the sensory pleasure of brewing with this beautifully crafted, hand-blown glass carafe. If you enjoy the visual and aromatic aspects of coffee making and appreciate elegant design, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for those who want a compact, stylish carafe that enhances their coffee bar. What people say. It also appears that with the current design Fellow has corrected the drip after pouring issue. This fits the aesthetic of my pour-over setup perfectly and has a very high-quality feel. It also pours supremely well with no dripping or control difficulties. Number 1. Kinto SCS S02 Brewer Stand Set. Introducing the Kinto SCS S02 Brewer Stand Set, a stylish way to brew your favorite coffee. It's designed to be a perfect gift for any coffee lover. Crafted from beautiful brass and walnut, complemented by durable stainless steel and heat-resistant glass. This set combines elegance with longevity. The stand measures 6.5 by 5.1 by 9.8 inches, while the server is 3.1 by 4.3 by 5.3 inches. It holds a generous 700 milliliters, perfect for multiple servings. The filter is made of 18:8 stainless steel with a titanium nitride coating. The brewer, server, and holder are all constructed from high-quality heat-resistant glass. This set is made in China and offers convenience with microwave-safe server and holder. Enjoy your coffee with ease and style. What we like. Elevate your coffee brewing with this sophisticated stand set, featuring premium brass and walnut materials. If you're looking for a statement piece that combines exquisite design with functionality, this set is for you. It's perfect for gifting or for anyone who desires a touch of luxury in their coffee preparation. What people say. The coffee maker is easy to use and clean. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well in any kitchen. It brews a smooth and flavorful cup of coffee every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.